Hi friends, step into channel once again. This is Shiv Santosh from S Square Maths YouTube channel. So let us rock some more videos. So previously we have gone through trigonometry 20 videos based on SSC and CBSE. You can see in the playlist. At the same time, you can also go through one more playlist, trigonometry apart from the academics, non-routine problems. So let us go through it now. Trigonometry part 21, logarithm, and the problems are two problems which are meant for logarithms and trigonometry. Very important. I am going to crack in just 10 or 15 seconds each problem. So let us see now here. So solution of first one. So if you observe the question, log of tan 1 degree to the base 10 plus log of tan cot, sorry, once again, log of cot 1 degree to the base 10 plus log of cot 2 degree base 10 plus so on, log of cot 89 degrees to the base 10. So we have to determine the value of that expression. So if you observe carefully here, this is the form of log a plus log b plus log c plus so on. So now according to that I can write the given expression will be changes to log a plus log b plus log c so on. So I can write now log with respect to the base 10. So log cot 1 degree into cot 2 degree into cot 3 degree into so on. Somewhere I can write cot 45 degrees, in the middle we will get, because we have the standard value. Cot 30 degrees and cot 60 also you have, but no need here. At the same time, last again I can write here cot 89 degrees. Okay. So here log a plus log b plus log c so on. So log abc etc. Now here log to the base 10. So after this you may be panic. So we don't know the value of log cot 1 degree, cot 2 degrees, but even though no problem. So now I can write here. So this is nothing but cot 1 degree into cot 89 degrees. I can write here, I am clubbing, into cot 2 degrees and cot 89 degrees. Cot 88 degrees, so on, like that we will get, and finally 1. So like this we can go on club the values. So here now log of to the base 10 cot 1 degree and cot 89 degrees, they are trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. I can split like this. So I can write here cot 90 degrees minus 1 can be written as, here 90 minus 89 gives you 1, okay, into cot 89 degrees. So again cot 2 degrees into cot 88 degrees, and finally into 1. So this is nothing but log to the base 10 here. Cot of 90 minus theta is nothing but tan theta. So tan 89 degrees into cot 89 degrees. In the same way I can write here by applying this method. So that's why I did not written. So that I can write here tan 88 degrees into cot 88 degrees, so on 1. So tan and cot are reciprocal to each other with respect to the same angle again here. So finally log to the base 10. So I can write here 1 into 1 into 1 into so on 1, and nothing but log 1 to the base 10, nothing but here it is 0. We know that according to the concept of logarithms here by applying a property. So that finally I can write here the option is 0, nothing but D option. So please viewers, no need to panic. We have been applied here addition law of logarithms and product law of logarithms, and later here trigonometry ratios of complementary angles, like that all values will be cancelled each other. Finally you can replace cot 45 as 1. Totally 89 values you will get here. So 88 values along 2 pairs you can club it, and here cot 45 is 1. So finally log 1 to the base 10 is 0. So in this way the first problem. Now let us go through the second one here. So now I can write log to the base pi into 10. 0.25 is 1 by 4 into pi, and pi is, I can write here 180. So log to the base pi, I can write here 10, nothing but 45 degrees. I know that, or we know that tan 45 is 1, log 1 base 10 is 0 again, logarithm of 1 with respect to non-zero base is 0. So that now here, finally here it is 0 and here it is 0. Okay. So like these two problems, here D option, and here it is nothing but our B option. So like these two problems, nothing but here logarithms and trigonometry are correlated. Just if you know the formulae or properties, laws of trigonometry or here logarithms, easily you can overcome. Okay. So like this first and second problem. Once you have a look totally, first and second problem of logarithms and trigonometry. So finally part 21, trigonometry. Those who did not gone through total 20 parts, please go through. The links are given in the description. Okay. Hope you enjoyed a lot. See you in the next video session. Bye.